North Central McLennan County.
First time capturing a severe thunderstorm warning with this weather radio.
Until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedar Hill to near Carl's Corner to near Aquila Lake, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
It's pretty bad outside. Might as well just record that real quick. It's like, yeah, that's pretty fucking bad. I think it's been a while since I've captured an EAS alert. So there's that. I would open my fucking window, but I'm not doing that right now.
Barry and Hubbard around 12:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
I got it charging.
Dawson and Alma around 12:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Corsicana around 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
I believe.
Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Malone, Oak Valley, Dresden, Avalon, Irene, Corbett, Rocket, Howard, Bristol, and Aquila. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 351 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 410. Interstate 45 between...
I hate when they cut that shit short.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains
It's weird.
until 12:15 a.m. Central